Welcome back to our finance channel, where we're all about turning complex financial concepts into easy-to-understand strategies. Today, we're diving into the world of investing, specifically tailored for you, the beginner, ready to secure your financial future. Let's get started. Setting goals. First up, setting clear goals. Whether you're saving for retirement, a dream vacation, or an emergency fund, defining your goal is step one. It shapes your investment choices and helps keep your eyes on the prize, education. Next, it's time to hit the books, not literally, though. Understanding the basics of the stock market, the difference between stocks, bonds, and mutual funds is crucial. Remember, knowledge is your best investment. Diversification. Now, let's talk diversification. Ever heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket? This is where it comes to life. Diversifying your portfolio can help reduce risk by spreading out your investments. Low-cost index funds. Consider starting with low-cost index funds and ETFs. These gems track the performance of a specific index and offer a simple way to invest in many stocks or bonds at once, all while keeping fees low. Dollar cost averaging. Moving on to dollar cost averaging. This strategy involves investing a fixed amount regularly, rain or shine. It helps smooth out the price you pay for investments over time. Risk tolerance. Understanding your risk tolerance is key. It's all about how much volatility you can handle without losing sleep. Your risk tolerance will guide your investment choices, ensuring they align with your comfort level. Emergency fund. Before you dive deep into investing, let's not forget about building an emergency fund. It's your financial safety net, ensuring you're prepared for life's unexpected turns. Retirement accounts. And if you have access to retirement accounts like a 401k or an IRA, make the most of them. These accounts offer tax advantages that can significantly boost your investment growth over time. Patience and discipline. Here's a secret. Patience and discipline are your best friends in the investing world. The market will have its ups and downs, but staying the course is key to long-term success. Reviewing and rebalancing. Lastly, make it a habit to review and rebalance your portfolio regularly. As your goals or the market changes, so should your investment strategy. And there you have it, a beginner's roadmap to investing. Remember, everyone's financial journey is unique, so tailor these strategies to fit your needs. For more tips and tricks on navigating the financial world, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Until next time, happy investing.